Namaskaram. I'm your Dr. Niveda. Today I'm going to say you about how to do this oil bath. So what is the best oil to do this oil bath? Cold pressed sesame oil is best to use. What is the best time to do this oil bath? Early morning 4:30 to 7 a.m. What are the best days to do this oil bath? Traditionally, it is said that for female, it should be preferred on Tuesdays and Fridays. If you are a male, best to prefer on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So, in our regular life, we are going to job or college. It's not possible to do on this day. So, during that time, we can prefer on Saturdays for both male and female. So the maximum duration to take this oil bath is around 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So what is the preparation for taking this oil bath? Take the cold pressed sesame oil in a steel container or any metal container. Then prepare a hot water bath by boiling the water for some temperature, and then switch off the stove. Then in this hot water bath, take this sesame oil which is contained in a metal container and keep it over this hot water bath, so that the oil is heated by the temperature of the water rather than it is heated directly on the strong heat. So after the oil is heated, take the oil in your palm, pour the oil in your palm and gently apply over the crown of your head, and gently apply a massage using your fingertips over the scalp region. Completely massage all over your scalp region. Then to our entire body, we are going to use two types of friction. One is longitudinal friction and the second is circular friction. So to your neck region, to both of your neck region, you can apply a circular friction. To your lower back region, you can apply this circular friction. To your gluteal region, you are going to apply this circular friction, and also to both your palms and feet, you are going to apply this circular friction, and to all your joint region, you are going to apply this circular friction. So the longitudinal friction, you can apply it on your both the limbs, both your hands and both your legs, and also to your back region, upper back region, and also to your chest region. So in your abdomen region also, it's best to apply in a circular region, circular friction. If you're female, it's best to apply a circular friction to both your chest region. So while massaging to your face region, you can put a drop of oil to each of your eyes. See towards that the temperature must be of a normal temperature. It should not be warm temperature. And also while putting oil, and also you can put a drop of oil to both the ears, and also you can put a drop of oil to both of your nostrils. So in this way you can rejuvenate all your five senses. So the next step is, after 30 minutes of applying the oil and massaging the oil all over your body, you can do a 15 minutes of sun bath, that is sitting under the sun with this oil application. So if it is not possible in your regular life to do a sun bath while this oil application, you can take this sun bath after this oil application and taking shower. So the duration to take the sun bath is 15 minutes. Okay. So after applying the oil and after doing the sun bath, you can take a warm water shower. That is, the temperature of the water must not be too high, and also it must not be too cold. Okay. Then to take the oil from your body, you can use a herbal snanam powder or green gram flour, but it's best to avoid soap. And also while taking shower to your hair, it's best to avoid shampoo. Instead of that, you can prefer shigakai powder. So after taking shower, so this whole day it's best to relax, take rest and relax. And also the food must be very light and simple. Example, kanji rice or steamed idlis or steamed puttu, idiyappam, like this. Maybe you can have dal rice also with some veg curries. So what are the don'ts during this oil bath? So it's best to avoid any heavy work, or it's best to avoid exposing to heavy sunlight, and also having avoid non-vegetarian foods during this day. Even avoid milk and milk products, consuming milk and milk products during this day. Avoid heavy meals during this day, and even avoid sleeping during this day, because it is a process of detoxification. So sleeping will interfere in the process of detoxification, and also it's best to avoid intercourse during this day. So in which condition this oil bath is contraindicated? So if you're feeling sick, if you're having cold, cough, fever, it's best to avoid this oil bath. So if you're suffering from any kind of autoimmune diseases or cancer condition, it's best not to do deep tissue massage. Just apply the oil, just a normal application, and take a sun bath for 15 minutes and take a warm water shower. That will be best preferred for in both the autoimmune disease condition and cancer condition. So apart from this, if you are feeling rejuvenated and you want this experience every day, if you want to take this oil bath every day, you can prefer coconut oil. And instead of doing this massage for 30 minutes or 45 minutes, you can prefer just 15 to 20 minutes every day. Just apply this coconut oil in the morning around 6 a.m. and take a warm water shower with the snanam powder or green gram flour, and also prefer shigakai powder for your hair. So friends, try to take this oil bath and express your feeling, and say your feedback about how it felt for you. Namaskaram.